Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see I have two stamped cross stitches. This will be my part 2 of my review for 7Great store. So if they have any specials, I will put them here and in the description box below. And if I have any discount codes, they will go same place. So let's start with this first one. And as you can see, they're both Joy Sundays. And they're both kind of small. Now this one is a 21 by 17. It was $3.86. I got to get it out of its bag. It was fighting the whole way here. Well, we just got everything upside down, don't we? We're doing well. I'm going to move this over here just so I got a little space. This is called Cross Stitch and Afternoon Tea in Winter. I have no idea why they call it that, but maybe do the hawthorn berry. That looks like hawthorn berries to me, but I could be totally way left field in that. But do they grow in the winter? I don't know. You would think something grows in the winter that's real hardy. I have no idea. Looks like we have a little bit of back stitching, and this background is all half cross stitch, so wherever you see that blue gray look. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of pretty, so we will take a look. And as you can see, 14 count and 20 by 17. Is that what? Well, it said 21 by 17 on the description. So let's take a look. Looks like the pattern's all on one page. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. And it does have the canvas one, what do you call it, canvas key. And this is the paper pattern key. So we have a total of 30 colors. You have 28 of those in regular cross stitch. You got 9 colors in half cross stitch and 3 in back stitching. So very nicely done. It's 84 by 65. This is like postage size-ish, sort of, kind of, but yeah. Very, I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. Holy cow, we're having a day. Yeah. It's just kind of different. I don't know in this one if the back stitch will help or hinder. I don't know. It just, when you look at this pattern, it looks confusing-ish. I don't know. Kind of different. So we will see. Let's find out what colors are in this lovely thing. Okay, I see no 310 black. That's odd. Okay, so they must be using other colors. Anything else we know? We have 498, which is a brick red. We have 824, which is kind of a navy blue. No 939, no 3371. They're using B5200 for white. Yeah, we're just going to have to take a look at the threads. Different. And another different thing. You know, I told you this background was all half cross stitch. Well, this T back in here, this T symbol, that must be, it's B5200, so they've kind of filled it in there, but the rest of it's half cross stitch. Kind of odd, huh? Okie dokie, moving right along here. So it's all on a thread card. Does have 2 needles. And it doesn't say the product number on this, but you can see all the threads. Like I said, it's not too big, so you don't have a whole bunch of thread here. But beautiful blues and reds and yellows, kind of reddish orange. There's your B5200. So this is the darkest color. Maybe there's a darker brown, but it's not dark. And kind of a dark blue. So yeah, I think it'll be just fine. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Beautiful blues and colors. You know, I like the whole color schematic of it. Here's the canvas. Yeah, it's big, isn't it? Huge. Ginormous. I don't know if we'll get through this. I probably won't. This will take as long as a big one, I swear. It is serged all the way around. It is 8 inches or 20.5 centimeters by, a little over 6.5 inches and a little bit over 16.5 centimeters. It's on its way to 17 though. That's the canvas itself. Now this, the actual picture size is 6 inches or a hair's breadth from 15.5 centimeters by 4. So it won't fit in a 4x6. Thinking about this. My brain's moving. Hang on. This way it's 4 3/4 inches or 12 centimeters. I'm trying to see. You could put it in a 5x6. Yeah, you could put it in a 5x7. That's where my brain was going. You could put it in a 5x7 frame, not a 4x6. Unless you wanted to cut certain edges off of it. Because it's really close down here at the bottom and at the top. So, but yeah, it's teeny tiny, itsy bitsy. So I guess after it all, I don't even see that other color. Holy cow. This background here, this purple that you see, I swear, if you could differentiate what was what in that, because there's supposed to be that white, but it looks all like that half cross stitch, so that's a little bit of a nightmare. I guess you could take it one step at a time, and look how teeny tiny, itsy bitsy the key is. No wonder they put it over there. Holy cow, I can't even read the numbers. I can barely make out some of the DMCs, but yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, I'd start here, work everything else, and then figure this out, because this is a giant puzzle right here. Yeah. Yeah, somebody with a little bit more strength than me. Not real sure. Okie dokie then. Moving on. Oh my gosh, that's just too tiny. Too tiny. Alright. Now the next one is also Joy Sunday. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. And it is a 14 count too. And I just thought it was cute and whimsical. So had to get it. Between the ducks and the rabbits, I don't know who I like the most. So this is another one of the rabbits. And it says Bunnies Rowing. It is 14 count, 18 by 15. 18 by 15. It was $3.71. It is printed, thank goodness. But this looks a whole lot easier than that little bit. They're so cute. Alright, this one is laid out like that as well as the other one. Paper pattern won't match the canvas. Does have both sets of keys. And this one is teeny tiny, so I'm kind of glad they did this. 73 by 54. What colors do we have? We have 310 black. No 823, no 939. We'd have B5200 for the white. It has a total of 21 colors And you have 3 in half cross stitch and 310 in back stitch. Because it's just pretty straightforward back stitching too. It's not anything horrible. You're just kind of outlining certain things, but I thought they were cute. They're so cute. Love them. Let's look at the canvas here, or the pattern. So the background is all, let's hope it's better than the last one, all half cross stitch, and down here in the water, and a little bit on that oar. The rest of it's full cross. Very nice, big pattern. Very easy to see all the symbols. Very nice. I like straightforward things. I don't want to have to think about it too hard because, you know, it'll make my brain hurt. Alright, let's look at all these threads. There is not a whole lot because it's 14 count. It does come on one of those thread cards. Product number is here, DMC number, and then above that is how many threads you have of each of the colors, and then the number on the so-called canvas. But very pretty colors, kind of bright and vivid. This you could probably do in a couple of weeks. I don't know. Depends how fast or slow you stitch. Yeah, I'd want to get this done and over with. But with all that half cross stitch, it makes it go really, really fast. But just really pretty spring-like colors. You got some pastels, some a little darker colors. But yeah, gorgeous. You ready for the big, big pattern? Or the big, big canvas? I screwed it up, see? I screwed the surprise. Okay, are you ready? There it is. It's so big. Now this one is almost printed better down here. You can actually see numbers. You can see the symbols. They're a little bit bigger. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. It's so cute. I just want to whip it out in a day. The back stitching's going to stop me, but yeah. So this, holy cow, is serged all the way around, typical Joy Sunday fashion, and it is 7 1/4 inches or 18.5 centimeters, and it is 14.5 centimeters this way, and almost 5 3/4 inches, so it's smaller than a 4. Well, yeah, you could put it in a 4x6 frame. The actual picture size is, a little over 5 1/4 inches or 13.5 centimeters by almost 4 inches or a little under 10 centimeters. So, let me look. It would be tight, but it's going to fit that way. Yeah, it's not going that way. So 5x7 is what that would fit in because it barely makes it here. And this is not cut straight. I don't know if you can see how it goes off that way. You could straighten it out, no problem. It's just like it on the cutter didn't cut it exactly straight, but it doesn't bother anything. Yeah, I can hardly wait to start this. I just think they're cute. I think they're cute. They're awesome. Alright guys, that's all I got from 7Great. Now 7Great, hang on, gotta get rid of all my stuff here. Has cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for all that, and beaded embroidery. So they don't have any diamond painting or paint by number. So it's mostly stitching things. I don't know if they have punch needle stuff. They may have tools for punch needle. I don't think I haven't seen punch needle kits. Does that make sense? So, not real sure about that. Now, like I said, if they have any specials, or I have a discount code, pretty sure I have a discount code. It'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description below. Thank you, SevenGreat, for sending me these two gorgeous little kits and the kits last week. It has been a complete pleasure. So thank you all for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.